your tutorial. So for example, if in our tutorial we construct the model structure like this, okay, like this. I believe you have seen this in your tutorial, right? Then you need to tell me what kind of model and model structure we constructed here. So for some of the lines, we have constructed the input data or activation function, and for different problems, for example, the sequential data or the CNN or the GNN, we may have different definitions in different layers, right? So you need to understand that once you are given this model structure, you need to be able to interpret the model structure, what kind of model we constructed. So even though in our final exam we do not need to write down the code ourselves, but we need to interpret the code. For example, if you want to ask the AI to construct the model structure, you need to be able to read this code to understand whether AI provides the correct model design for you. And then in some of the problems we'll ask you to how these different models work and how the advantages of these learning algorithms can provide for the model training procedure. And then, for example, I will combine the model evaluation to provide the next course validation and illustrate how it works for the hyperparameter tuning, model pre-training, and model evaluation. So you need to understand the next course validation to answer this question. So this is just one section. You have 5. And the final exam is to be finished within 2 hours. So I can see that if you understand how to, if you can answer these questions, you can finish in 1 hour. But typically, most students cannot finish the 5 sections in 2 hours. So it depends on how you are familiar with the learning materials and whether you keep the right material on the cheat sheet. Okay? So any questions for the final exam? Yes? Not exactly. So some of us may have, so here we have 20 points, right? So some of them you will see 15 points and some others maybe 25. It depends on how many small questions in each section. Okay? Any other questions?